What's up, guys? I know I haven't been doing my YouTube videos in a long time because I gotta get caught up with school and stuff because I missed so many days. But here's a little video. Okay, so you see this can right here? Let's do that. Check. Don't freaking sue me because we ain't got none. Or maybe we do. But I shouldn't say it right now. How much we got? Well, you gotta go. First one I'm gonna do. And the second one I'm gonna go. It's gonna be like a. It should be a Lamborghini sound, but I don't know. Hold on a minute, let me switch to the other hand. Ready? Next. Now it's his turn. Wait, do both? Yeah, try. Try to do both. Hold on a minute. Don't like construction workers! Good. Okay, there we go. Try again. Move your thumb down somewhere right there and then go. Do it again. Then try to do it. You must have messed up. Oh, well, bye. At least kid needs some lessons, please. Say, go down below and say, comment, teach him lessons. Okay? Comment down below, teach him lessons. Alright, bye. Masio, please sponsor me. Please sponsor me. Sponsor me. Sponsor me. Sponsor me. Sponsor me!